Hey guys, welcome back to Tech Critique. It's been a long time since I've uploaded any videos, so sorry for the inconvenience. Today I'm here with a tutorial video on how to connect your DualShock 4 controller to any Android device via Bluetooth. So you should know that this is the easiest method. For those who don't know, the DualShock 4 is a PS4 controller. This is going to be a short video, so now let's hop into it. So the first step is you have to put the PS4 controller or the DualShock 4 into pair mode or sync mode. So for doing this, you'll have to press the PS button over here and the share button over here. For doing so, you have to do it simultaneously so that blue light over here in the light bar starts flickering. Once it's flickering, it means that it's in the sync or pair mode. So let's get onto it. We have to press it simultaneously for a few seconds. Yes, now we've got the blue light flickering on the light bar. You can see it here also. So that means the PS4 controller or the DualShock 4 is in sync mode. So next step is we have to take a mobile phone over here and we have to switch on Bluetooth, pair a new device, and here you can see I've got the option wireless controller, which means it's the DualShock 4. I'll press it. It's pairing. Give it access to contacts and call history, so I'll give it pair. And the DualShock 4 controller is connected successfully. I'll show you how it works. So as you can see here, it shows that the controller is sensing on this app. You can see I can slide over to any of the screens. Let's open settings. As usual, as in the PlayStation console, here also you have to press X to select anything. As you can see, I'll go to Bluetooth again by pressing X. If I want to go back, I can either go on the arrow or I can press on circle as usual. Yes, and that's how it works on the Android device. So for disconnecting it, all you have to do is go here, switch off Bluetooth, and the controller turns off. The next thing I would like to show you is how to connect it to a Android tablet. All the steps are similar. I'll just show it to you just in case anybody has doubts. So in the same way, we are going to press share and the PS4 button simultaneously, and the light has started flickering again. Here we'll go on Bluetooth, switch it on, and we'll connect it to the wireless controller. Yes, we have got the pair prompt option, so I'll click on pair and the controller is connected. You can see same functions: circle for going back, X for selecting something. So let's say I'll say Play Store over here, and Play Store has opened. You can move around with the joystick, and there's the mouse function with the touchpad. You can see a mouse cursor, you can see a cursor icon over here. If just upon sliding over the touchpad, you can get the mouse option. Let's say click on this app. Pressing on the touchpad will give you the function of selecting. For going back, you can either use this touchpad like a mouse, or you can use the circle button, which will take us home. And let's see what the PS button does. Let's see what the PS button does. Oh, it's nothing. Okay, so then we're back with the D-pad. You can use the D-pad like this for selecting. You can see it's over here. Now it's here. Go to the next one. And that's it. So guys, for disconnecting the controller again, all you have to do is go here and switch off the Bluetooth. The controller will automatically turn off. So guys, this was the video on how to connect your DualShock or PS4 controller to any of the Android devices. It's really simple. I can call it a cakewalk. So I hope you guys have understood everything, all the steps. Just in case if you have any doubts, you can put your doubts in the comment section below. Give the video a like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and share my videos just in case you feel you want to support. Hope you guys understood. Thank you guys. Stay home, stay safe. Until next time, goodbye.